Good morning, everyone. I am Vishnu Jagtap, and in front of all of you, I am presenting the Financial Express newspaper headlines. So, first of all, Financial Minister to renew Atmanirbhar pledge raft of steps likely. Next, budget to reinforce Gati Shakti with extra support. Next, Maruti's quarter 3 profit up to fold to rupees 2.3 thousand crore. Next, gold prices surge to a new high. Next, dollar 1 billion green bonds debut action today. Next, Tata Trust Sharma named CEO, Apollory COO. Next, Indus Signal concern over Vodafone Idea dues. Next, SEBI plans Supreme Court move against tribunal order. On page number 4 in economy section under that, states interest cost up as borrowing grows 8%. Next, Punjab may sell extra coal to private power units. Next, Rakas delays Delhi's major election again. Next, budget may boost Gati Shakti with extra support to states. Next, services exports to beat FY23 target of $300 million Goel. Next, government extends tenure of CCI acting chief. Next, budget needs to provide clarity on digital taxation. Next, the row over yes banks at one write off. Next, on page number 5 in economy section under that, FASTag toll collection increases 46% to rupees 50,000 crore in 2022. Next, government spent rupees 3.4543 trillion on free rationing scheme. Next, wheat mandi prices go 45% above MSP. Next, on page number 6 in companies section under that, entry level smartphone prices up nearly 220% in last 5 years. Next, Zomato to rebrand, not scrap, 10-minute instant service. Next, United Spirits quarter 3 net dips 27% to rupees 214 crore. Next, BPCL to set up 1 gigawatt renewable energy plant. Next, Ecozen rises $25 million in Series C round. Next, Ola de-best cars tie up to dispose of used vehicles. Next, REC subsidiary hands over SPV. Next, entry level smartphone prices up nearly 20% in last 5 years. Next, Maruti profit more than doubles. Next, Bharti Airtel increases entry level traffics by 57% in 7 more circles. Next, mobile exports cross rupees 60,000 crore in April December. Next, KM Birla changing tech consumer needs creating shorter business cycles. Next, ASCI tightens disclaimer guidelines for ads. On page number 7 in companies section under that, macro tech developers quarter 3 net profit rises 41%. Next, jet lenders file plea against NCLT order. Next, UK offer to Tata Steel unit to decarbonize operations fall far short of its demand. Next, Vistara targeting to make FY23 its first ever profitable year. Next, Macrotech developers quarter 3 net profit rises 41%. Next, tech startups Innovator cuts 245 global jobs, 50% in India. On page number 18, opinion section under that, boosters for resolution. Next, Atmanirbhar Bharat on funding. Next, CSR sees slow growth. Next, continuing India's global march. On page number 9 in brand wagon section under that, we expect India to contribute 50% of our workforce by 2024. Next, why posting is not marketing. Next, inclusiveness minus tokenism. Next, 5 investment option for this turbulent times. Next, new investors can go for conservative hybrid funds. On page number 10 in international section under that, 3 million plans to cut 2.5 thousand jobs sitting economic hurdles. Next, GE sees annual profit below estimates. Next, 2023 profit above expectations. Next, 5.9 magnitude earthquake jolts western Nepal. Next, tremors also felt in India. Next, mass killing, 7 death in California. Next, staff cuts avoided much worse issues, says Pichai. Next, Twitter switched over unpaid rent at London office, San Francisco. Next, lights return but more disruption awaits Pakistan. Next, open to discuss all IMF demands. Next, on page number 11 in market section under that, JP Morgan gets RBI approval for new India CEO. Next, ex-SEBI chief launches governance index. Next, Poonawalla FinCorp shares rises 4%. Next, for Tata Consumer Communication stock falls over 4% after results. Next, Axis Bank shares dip more than 2%. Next, Maruti's based funds may look to invest in Adani FPO. Next, blue chips to shift to world's fastest settlement cycle. Next, SBI card quarter 3 profit climbs 32% has receivables growth. Next, NYSE gets wave of sales orders, blame put on tech issues. Next, gold prices hit new all-time high of 57,010 gram. Next, SEBI slaps rupees 26 crore fine on coffee day. Next, India's first green bond to hold W action today. On page number 19 in market section under that, Blackstone in talks with Bain to sell Embassy REIT stake worth rupees $480 million. Next, PNB Housing Fin profit rises 43%. Next, rupee falls 28 paisa to 81.7 versus US dollar. On page number 20 in market section under that, corporate loan engine firing well, South Indian Bank MD. Next, IIFL securities profit down. Next, Bandhan Bank eyes expansion. Next, AUSFB focuses on co-branded credit cards to rope in partners. Next, SEBI orders attachment of banks accounts of Shivlinder for others. On page number 22 in backspace section under that, reality fund manager Mull raising huge AIFs. Next, Bollywood's hopes ride on Pathan's shoulders. That much for next. Government to soon certify startups developers to offer Indian stake. That much for today. Thanks for watching. Make a good day.